you might have to modify your bed or the angle of your exhaust to make it fit. Hey. Right there, that's where we want it. Now Brandon wants to be safe and strap it. You don't have to do that. If you have duct tape or
whenever I'm with Gabe, these straps that work, the shit falls off the damn trailer.
Whenever Brandon straps stuff down, it just doesn't work. So we're probably gonna drive down the road and lose the whole bed. This thing's probably just gonna fall off. I wouldn't be surprised. Or maybe in like 2 hours it'll be finished, and then we can drive it down. Brent, I said, Brent, that's not, did that look like the trash can? What? Cut. Alright, I'd say that was pretty good. Well, let's start her up. She hasn't been started in like 30 days. So, 30 days. Put a bring around the dark and we drive manuals here, so it's gonna roll once you turn it on, so you gotta take it down. Are you ready?
You?
Are you sure? Hey. What?
You're not holding wide open. Stop.